In part 2 we'll look at the movement from Sandhills Platform 1 to the reversal siding and back to Sandhills Platform 1 in the down direction. The Sandhills Platform 1 starting signal in the up direction is a 2-aspect controlled signal Mike Lima 5-4 with position light for movement towards the reversing siding. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. The reversing siding has a capacity for 9 cars. We shall now change ends. The signal protecting the exit from the reversing sidings is position light signal Mike Lima 1021. When clear with route indication D, a route is provided towards the down platform. When clear with route indication N, a route is provided towards the short neck. When clear with route indication U, a route is provided towards the up platform. Maximum speed 15 miles per hour. Maximum speed 45 miles per hour. We're on the up Southport line approaching Sandhills Platform 1 in the down direction.